Just back from the waterfall.
Yes.
That's a grand 21. How much is that? 20,000 gone
20,000
for a person. So
Yeah.
it's per person
this is a
80,000
big
gone.
waterfall.
Yeah, that's photograph only.
Yes.
Right. You see my friend? See?
Yeah, it's nice place to see the waterfall.
At least see one waterfall.
Yeah, it's only thing we are all hard to go down to have a swim.
We got
Christmas da.
Christmas star. Got one Christmas star for
What's that? Oh.
celebrate Christmas.
Yeah.
So cute.
See?
How much is that?
100,000 rupiah.
Rupiah.
Not bad.
100,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Let's go.
20,000 rupiah, and from the car park we will have to walk to the entrance where we have to present the tickets,
Yes.
checking the ticket, and then there's about a short distance to walk to the entrance.
Yes.
Ticket.
This is the check-in ticket.
My friend.
Stamp your hand.
Turn your hand. Thank you.
And then
So,
we need to stamp our hands to indicate that we are cleared.
Yes. So now that we have the stamp, we can go in and explore. That's our driver, Bom
Driver
Bom.
Bom Bom, he's awesome.
Yes. So now we're going down to see the waterfall. Oh, okay. So this is where you can see the waterfall. The waterfall. That's the waterfall. So if you want to go near the waterfall, you have to walk using those stairs all the way down to the waterfall. Okay. There's also a stage where you can take photo and you can see the waterfall on the background. Now we're going back to the car. And these are the souvenirs that you can buy from here. Fresh coconut. See? Now you can really feel that, you are somewhere
And then
traveling.
life is back to normal.
Yes. So, these are your dream clothing to Yes.
Right now, if I wear it, everyone's gonna try.
Okay. The weather is nice, but it's freaking hot.
It's not scorching hot, it's hot.
Okay, so we'll see you in
Tanah Gajah,
Tanagadia,
where we'll have
where we will have our lunch.
lunch of the rice paddy.
Yes. See ya. Hi, cutie doggy. How are you?
Sayang sayang. Sayang sayang.
Hello.
Cantik cantik. Sayang sayang. You know.
Just back from the waterfall.
Yes.
That's a grand 21. How much is that? 20,000 gone
20,000
for a person. So
Yeah.
it's per
This is-
person
this is a
80,000
big
gone.
waterfall.
Yeah, that's photograph only.
Yes.
Right. You see my friend? See?
Yeah, it's nice place to see the waterfall.
At least see one waterfall.
Yeah, it's only thing we are all hard to go down to have a swim.
We got
Christmas da.
Christmas star. Got one Christmas star for
What's that? Oh.
celebrate Christmas.
Yeah.
So cute.
See?
How much is that?
100
100,000 rupiah.
rupiah.
Not bad.
100,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Let's go.
这个
We are now going to try the Babi Guling Haknalan. This is very famous Babi Guling. We're going to eat again.
Babi Guling. Pork. We have the pork.
Yep.
Yeah, they say very nice.
Later we're going inside and they will try the pork. They sell different snacks also. All those different crackers. Okay. So this is the food.
The nasi campur babi guling will be everything in.
Yeah, it's like a mixed rice.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we order?
Yeah, let's go. So just now she just added chili when she says pedas. Pedas is spicy.
Oh.
And then there is the pork skin.
Hello. That's how they prepare the food. Yes. So you just need to choose your sides, which are here. Different kinds of sides. And then there's the main dish, which is the pork. These are the crackers, which you can also buy. What's that?
Pork skin.
Oh, they have peanuts. Oh, they have the. Don't know what's this.
Oh, this is
Oh, there's the pork. If you can see that
what is the pork skin?
pork skin.
So this is in Pak Malan, and this is a typical rice set. So you have the pork skin, then this is the barbecue, this is the roasted pork skin, then you have the pork satay, a different form of pork skin, then you have the mixed vegetables, something a little bit spicy with pork meat. So they basically barbecue the whole meat. Then this chili, slightly spicy. And the difference between this set and this set is that this is without spicy, so you can see that the meat is not spicy at all, versus this has some spice added to it. And of course they top it up with the chili sambal that is made specially for this restaurant. Then they give this this is a pork kind of a stew soup. Yeah. So let's enjoy.
Yes.
So now after a visit to the waterfall, we are now on our way to Tanah Gajah for lunch. See you.
How about you?
Yes, just finished the waterfall walk, but we never go down there. We just take the picture only. At least we can one waterfall. Else, if I ask you, you come Bali, you don't see waterfall? Yeah, we see one. Okay.
Thanks to Bong Bong.
Yeah.
Okay, we reached our destination. So now we are at Tanah Jaya to eat our lunch. Come, let's go. These are the elephants. Yes, baby elephants, and the baby elephants are here. Wash my hair.
Okay, you have Akong filming and Anthony posing. So this is the entrance of Tanah Gajah, and we are looking forward. And this is Roy washing his hands.
Oh, this is the entrance.